Kia ora guys, welcome to another Flip video session. Today we're learning to use hyperbole in our writing. Why do you think people exaggerate stories? What's the purpose for doing so? Alright, what is hyperbole? Hyperbole is an exaggerated statement or claim that is not meant to be taken literally or at face value. Hyperbole equals exaggeration. Hyperbole is an over-the-top statement about something. Hyperbole can also be thought of as a stretching of the truth. Let's check out some examples. Hyperbole is used to add effect or emphasis. We use it to make a point or to make what we are saying more exciting and interesting. For example, I haven't seen you in years. We'd say that to somebody we haven't seen in a few months, but we've told a lie. We've exaggerated the amount of time we haven't seen that person in. Another one, this flip is taking forever. This might be a long flip, but it's not taking forever, so we've exaggerated the fact. I've got 1,000,001 jobs to do today. Again, you might have lots on, but you don't have 1,000,001 things to do. So we're using exaggeration to make our point very clear and obvious. Let's check out some more examples. So hyperbole can be used to express the size of something. He's as thin as a toothpick. Again, we're making it obvious about how skinny someone is. He's as thin as a toothpick. We can also use hyperbole to express desperation about something. It was as cold. Oh, it was so cold, I saw polar bears wearing jackets. Again, we're exaggerating how cold it was. We can use hyperbole to exaggerate how much something costs. He's got tons of video games, or the amount of something. In this case, it's the amount of video games he has. Now, a ton is 1,000 kgs. I don't think he has 1,000 kgs worth of video games. So, he's got tons of video games, just means he has heaps and heaps. Hyperbole can be used to exaggerate how long something takes. You're walking slower than a snail. That paints a picture in the reader's mind that someone is going really, 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 really slow. Why do we use it? Hyperbole adds interest to our writing and helps to keep the reader engaged. Writers use hyperbole to make things sound better or worse than they actually are. Alright guys, going forward, remember to highlight where you have used hyperbole in your own writing. I'm expecting to see lots. Cheers.